Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're going to learn how to make an origami gorilla. This is a gorilla I made and designed by another origami master. Okay, we're going to start with a square piece of paper, and we're going to fold it diagonally in half. And now you're gonna fold it in half horizontally. You're gonna fold it horizontally in half. So now you're gonna fold these edges. You're gonna fold it to the creased edge. You're going to do the same the other side. So now you're going to fold this up. Fold this like a paper airplane fold. Do the same with the other side. And now you're going to pull it out. And you're gonna fold it like that. Do the same with the other side. So now you're gonna fold this to the crease in the middle. You're gonna fold it back. So now you're going to fold this to this spot. Fold it down. To make the nose, it really matters how big you want the nose. So if you want it big, just fold it all the way down. If you want it small, just fold it as small as you want. So now you have this crease now. So now you're going to let the flap swing. You're going to fold it here. And now you're going to do the same with the other side. So now you have these two creases. You're gonna fold it like inside reverse fold. So now it's like a little gorilla puppet. So now you're gonna fold it diagonally, unfold it, and you're gonna inside reverse fold it. Now you're gonna fold it down. This part's gonna be thick, so do it as hard as you crease it as hard as you can. So now you're gonna fold this to the top part. Now you're going to fold it like this. Then you're going to inside reverse fold it. fold it down, and then you're gonna spread those two out. So now you're gonna fold this like a paper airplane fold. Gonna fold it down, and you're gonna do this so you can make the legs, and you can fold the feet up as much as you can. And now you're gonna fold it down, and you're almost done with the gorilla. Now you're gonna fold it inside, reverse fold this part. It's gonna be a little tight, so be careful for it to not rip. And inside reverse fold, just shape the body however you like, and you're gonna do this to the hands. You're gonna fold it down, and you're gonna curve it a little bit. So now, you could shape it a little more, but I like it like this. So this is how you make an origami gorilla.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.